Squats are one of the most fundamental and versatile exercises in the fitness world. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, squats are a key movement that can be adapted to suit your fitness level. In this video, we will explore the power of squats, so stick around us to discover why squats should be a staple in your workout routine. Which muscles work during the squat? When thinking of squats, the first muscles that likely come to mind are the hips and buttocks. In fact, if you start listing them, there is a huge number of muscles involved. These are the gluteus maximus, medius, minimus, the quadriceps muscle and the biceps muscle of the thigh, semitendinosus and semimembranosus muscles, adductors, hip flexors, calf muscles, rectus abdominal, oblique abdominal, transverse abdominal and spinal erectors. In fact, squats are a comprehensive exercise that engages nearly half of the body's muscles. So, the first effect you will notice is the strengthening of all the muscles involved, including those listed. When you start squatting regularly, the first noticeable effect is the strengthening of not only your legs, but also your abs, leading to visible muscle growth. Unlike running or cycling, squats have a significant impact on muscle development, which can dramatically enhance your appearance. For those new to squatting, consistent daily practice can result in noticeable changes in just a month, with clear differences in before and after photos. The second effect of daily squats is weight loss. Squats can help with weight loss by increasing calorie burn and boosting metabolism. This intense physical activity engages large muscle groups, leading to higher energy expenditure. Over time, consistent squatting can reduce body fat, contributing to a leaner and more toned physique. As a result, people who squat regularly not only build muscle, but also become more ripped and lose fat. Squats can enhance endurance by increasing muscle stamina and aerobic capacity. Regular squatting improves cardiovascular and respiratory system efficiency due to the sustained effort and oxygen delivery required. Additionally, squats boost lung capacity and teach proper breathing coordination. Inhale while going down and exhale while rising, leading to better overall endurance and respiratory function. Another significant advantage of squats is the improvement of blood circulation and the strengthening of the cardiovascular system. This exercise increases the tone of the heart muscle, enhances blood flow to the heart and peripheral areas, and significantly improves the circulation of venous blood in the lower body due to the active engagement of the legs. Squats can improve posture by strengthening the core, lower back, and glutes. As these muscles become stronger, they provide better support for the spine, helping to maintain a more upright and stable posture. Proper squatting technique, with a straight back and slight arch in the lower back, not only strengthens the lower back muscles, but also encourages good posture, reducing the risk of slouching and back pain. Over time, this leads to a more upright and confident stance. Squats also enhance the mobility of your hips and ankles. Regular squatting significantly improves limb mobility, and if knee or lower back pain stems from a sedentary lifestyle, performing squats with proper technique can help alleviate these issues. Increased mobility and flexibility in the hips, knees, and ankles reduce stiffness and lower the risk of joint pain. Squats stimulate hormone production by increasing levels of testosterone and growth hormone. These hormones play a critical role in muscle growth and development. Elevated testosterone levels contribute to enhanced muscle strength and mass, while increased growth hormone levels aid in tissue repair and overall muscle development. Squats improve balance. As I said before, the squat is an exercise that comes naturally to our daily lives. Strong legs and core muscles make us more stable and help maintain balance, improve communication between the brain and many muscle groups, which helps to avoid falling, and this increases the duration of a healthy and active life, because the less we fall in old age, when bones are no longer so strong, the less trouble we get. Squats do improve the core and lower back. When performed correctly, squats engage the core muscles, including the abdominals and obliques, to stabilize the body during the movement. This helps to strengthen the core and improve overall stability. Additionally, squats work the lower back muscles, particularly the erector spinae, which support the spine and contribute to better posture. Regular squatting can lead to a stronger core and lower back, reducing the risk of injuries and improving functional fitness. Thanks for sticking around till the end. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you planning to incorporate squats into your daily routine? Or maybe you already do. Share your experience in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more fitness tips and insights.